Hello, good afternoon. This is Eva again, and I'm going to introduce our another conveyor. It's also for the customer from Australia. This we call it PP belt. It's food grade and it's the modular belt. It's also washable. This hopper is about 300 liters. That product is vegetables. The granule vegetable, they pour the vegetable in this large hopper. The conveyor will transfer the vegetables to another equipment. First, they also need 3 emergency stops on the left side and on the right side. Third, each stop is also on the control box. We also use the double layer control box, and this is the control panel. The speed is adjustable. Let me show you inside. So we use this double layer to prevent the water drop. This we call it collecting tray. Is to collect the material, which is sometimes the material will stick on the belt, and when it turns to the back side, we will need this collecting tray to collect the residue. The window on the conveyor frame is also easier for a customer to clean the back side of the belt. This wheel can adjust the height and adjust the direction, so it's very convenient for worker to move it. Also, you can see there are sprayer at the end of the conveyor. This hole is to connect the parts from customers' holes. We can clean the belt very convenient. Just need to collect this part, and we have the sprayer to wash the belt. And we also use the smooth part here. It's very convenient for people to clean the connection part. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye.